Alright guys, welcome back to the Nico Brothers. I'm Ivan.
And I'm Mike.
And today we're working on the Hellcat. We got the little parts that came in, we got the headlights that came in, the spindle, suspension parts, so we're ready to get put it together so we can drive it, you know, without this wheel being sideways.
Yeah.
So, and then we can check the alignment on it and maybe go for the first road trip or test drive and see what kind of power this thing has and see how it drives.
Yeah, I'm excited. We finally got everything in. Like you said, we're gonna get it on the lift, get it up, replace everything that's damaged, broken, and get it on the road.
Yeah,
finally.
check it out. And before we go, we're still doing a giveaway. All you gotta do is comment Hellcat, subscribe, like the video, and share with your friends. And let's get to work, guys.
That tire looks good, nice and straight. Look at this one. Definitely got some work to do. Well, let's go look at the parts, see what I got, and I can replace. Looks like a headlight. I was gonna do the front, I'm gonna do the back, so this is for him. Got my spindle. Nice. Right. Got my axle.
Alright, I got the old parts off. I wiped it down, the axle breaking and all the grease going everywhere. It's kind of a mess, but it's looking pretty good. Cleaned it up. Got all the old stuff off. Got the new parts in the dealer. New control arm, low control arm. Got the new spindle over there. The old axle wasn't too bad, but see where the boot ripped and grease is going everywhere. So we got a new one. Probably fixed that, but it's okay. Alright, time to get the new parts in. Alright guys, we got a lot done on the Hellcat. Had a wonderful day. Got the suspension done, got the front bumper together, got the rear bumper, a couple other little pieces. Still got a lot of other stuff to do, but it's pretty much gonna come off the lift right now. And
yeah, I mean, there's a lot of progress, but all these little things definitely take time. It's really tedious, but making sure all the clips are in and everything like that. There's still a lot of little work to do, but I mean, it's looking nice for sure. It's coming together. It's looking mean. Unfortunately, you don't have enough time today to finish it up, but that's all good. Let's go find our winner and see what's going on. Hey guys, it's that time again. Time to find our winner. All right, I preloaded the comments. We have 375 comments for the Hellcat. It's not bad. All good. A better chance for you guys to win, you know? Perfectly fine. All right, let's do it. Time to find our first winner. 3, 2, 1.
and it's Tony Green.
Perfect. Hellcat. Nice, congrats, you won.
And our next one,
Perfect.
Mike Wilson. There we go. Also, you guys, we're still gonna do another giveaway, another Hellcat giveaway. So all you have to do is comment Hellcat.
Hellcat, yeah.
Subscribe, like the video, share the video, and follow us on Instagram if you guys have Instagram.
Yeah, guys, make sure you comment because honestly, we're wrapping up. Maybe got one more video after this. We're really close. Just like I said, the little details kind of slowed us down, but we're almost ready to hit the road. So you don't miss out your chance to win. All right,
one more.
But let's see our most liked comment. Rodney, every time I watch the video, you guys get more comfortable. Yeah. That's a nice comment. You're the most liked comment.
You're the most liked.
Sorry, I didn't win it, but let's see.
You never know.
Let's never know. Here we go. It might be your chance right now. 3, 2, 1. Nope. How much we're gonna sell for when we're done? It's a great question. We don't know yet. Let's calculate how much we have in it, see what we've got going on, and go from there.
All right, Michael, let's pick them.
Here we go. Devin. All right, Hellcat Fire times 3. You won. Congrats, you're our third winner. That's all we have for today. Like I said, make sure you comment Hellcat at the bottom. Subscribe. We really appreciate your support on this.
And share the video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.